Hi, my name's Tom Cavusi-Walker and I'm a cam operator on Attenborough and the Jurassic Sea monster. Being a cameraman or camera operator means that I've been sort of coming down to Kimmeridge for the last, well, nearly a year, either on my own or with the director or with producers or with a big crew and Sir David, and filming pieces of the story that tell and telling pieces of the story about how this fossil was discovered and how it's been prepared. So I joined the project at a slightly later stage. I joined just after the plesiosaur skull had been removed from the cliff. I wish I'd been a part of from the very beginning because it sounded absolutely amazing to kind of dig that thing out. And I kind of started when it was in a barn and then got moved to the museum, and that was my first day on the project. And I've not actually seen any of the footage of it being removed, so I'm really excited to kind of see where that is. But yeah, I do wish I'd been there from the beginning to kind of see how crazy that bit was. I've not done much paleo stuff before. I've done some work for the Natural History Museum, which again, I did history of art at university before becoming a cameraman, and so science isn't really my world, but sometimes that has a positive effect on the project because you bring a different eye to it and you see something else. And so this is probably this is the biggest thing I've done anything to do with paleo. So yeah, it's been amazing. I love the great thing about my job is I love going to new shoots and learning things. You always learn things on these kind of jobs. And this one I've learned so much about, well, mainly that it's not called a dinosaur. It's called a Jurassic Sea. No, what's it called?
Marine reptile.
Marine reptile. So being a camera person on any of these kind of projects, especially for somewhere as sort of prestigious as the NHU, which is Natural History Unit at the BBC, is always kind of daunting, but you come with a kind of repertoire of skills and kit that you can kind of apply to every single project. And for this one, I mean, a lot of it has been what's called sync, which is, recording people talking, sound and film. So this was cameras. Often I was doing the sound as well on these when it was days just with Steve in the studio. And then also flying drones to get the aerials to sort of see the area or see the cliff where the fossils were found. It could be also some motion controlled stuff, some gimbal work to kind of basically bring to life the fossil that Steve's been working on. So there are lots of different tools, and all of them help basically to tell the story, which is what we're trying to do whenever we come to a project like this.